Traders, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be spinning the wheel. As you guys know, we've been running coupon code station, one of our biggest sales ever here in the MMU community. And we were also, along with that sale, at the end of it, giving away a traveling trading station to one lucky student. So here we are right now, Marcelo.
Remember, one of the pictures right here is my own personal day trading station. This is one of the stations that we are going to be giving away right here, right now to a lucky winner. I have made over $1 million in day trading profits in a machine of this caliber. So don't underestimate it just because you see a laptop. It's going to be a very, very powerful gaming laptop that should give you all the tools you need for you to accomplish your day trading dreams. Alongside with, of course, the best day trading curriculum out there, which is MMU. So without any further ado, let's get into the spinning.
Let's
All
do it.
right,
Let's do it.
here we go.
Drum roll. And the winner is Simplistic Trader. Simplistic Trader. And I think this name I have seen in the Discord. I have to double check. But Simplistic Trader, you are the winner. Congratulations.
Well, we're going to be reaching out to you, man. We're going to be checking where you're at so that we know where exactly to ship the traveling trading station. We hope that this tool equips you with the right computers for you to be able to accomplish your trading dreams. And thank you for participating. Thank you for anybody that participated as well. Unfortunately, of course, not everyone can be a winner on each individual raffle, but at the very least, we do hope that you find a lot of value in the MMU community, but also in the MMU strategy. Another thing to note is that this list is slightly shorter than we usually have. And the reason why is because we have opened to the public the ability of purchasing tickets. So keep an eye out for our next raffle because you now can exponentially increase your odds of winning whatever raffle we're doing at that time by purchasing individual tickets. Maybe if you already have a professional day trading station, this doesn't mean much to you. But in the next raffle, when we're spinning the wheel to see which is the lucky MMU member that can come meet RT in person, can come meet Tim, Crispy, myself in person, then that's when it gets exciting and you can fight your way into hopefully winning that raffle.
Right, guys. So don't feel bad. As Marcelo mentioned, there's a lot of value in everything else that we offer. But also know that in the future, there's going to be more raffle styled events like this. For our boot camps, our in-person seminars, we might just do a permanent team house where we're rotating people. Hey, who knows, right? There's going to be a lot of opportunities in the future to win, right? And not to mention, we're going to give away more setups and these type of things over time. So it's definitely going to be a good one. And Marcelo and myself, the rest of us, Tim, Triad, are always thinking, right? The rest of the team are always thinking on how we can give back to the community. So there's definitely going to be a lot more things in the future. So definitely get on board, right? This was one of our biggest coupons yet. Maybe we'll run something again coming into the New Year's for the rest of you guys who are still saving up. But yeah, definitely keep an eye out and let's keep going.
All right, friends, Simplistic Trader, congratulations. Keep an eye out on those DMs because we're going to be reaching out. Anybody else, we appreciate it being part of the community, and we will catch you guys on the next trading session.
See you later.